Recently, Cricut sent us a few items to test out. With these items, we'll be able to make some cards and some iron-ons. The Cricut Joy is really easy to set up, as you just need to plug a cable in and open up the panel. First we'll need the app, and we'll show how to download that later in the video. When making an iron-on, don't forget to mirror it and make sure to correct the size. Cricut makes it as easy as loading up the blade and pressing the button. This cut only took a few minutes. The Easy Press Mini has 3 different heating settings. Cricut has a heat guide app which you can download on your mobile device. Or you can use the desktop version, where the link to that will be in the description. For this shirt, we'll be using the second setting. Don't forget to measure out how big your text will be. Once the Easy Press is heated up, iron out the crinkles. Next, we'll be removing the excess material. If I were to do this project again, I would be adding some more design as to not waste as much material. When ironing, apply firm pressure and constant movement for 30 seconds over the surface, then flip and press for an additional 5 seconds, then cool peel for the best results. Now we'll just carefully peel off the protective sheet. Now our design is complete. My brother can look the part with his name on his jersey now. For this next project, we'll be using some of the Cricut cardstock. Load your chosen color into the card mat. After searching the app for a design, we found one we like. After adjusting the size, material and cropping, we'll now load our marker in. Now we get to watch this satisfying drawing. When the drawing is done, we'll switch out the marker for the blade. Now that the cutting process is complete, we'll carefully remove it with the Cricut supply tools. Now we'll use the weeder for the tiny cuts. After quickly typing up a sweet message, we'll choose a different colored pen that we have. Make sure to set it to draw and not cut. Next, choose the correct card size, rotate and position your text. We'll be using one of Cricut's red fine liners. Don't forget to flip your card in the card mat. Next, we'll peel off the card and add in some silver insert. Load it up into an envelope and it's ready to be delivered. Next, we'll be downloading the app. The app is called Cricut Design Space. After using Bluetooth to connect your accessory, you'll be able to set up an account. In future, we'll be sure to do more Cricut videos on stickers. If you want to watch the next Cricut video, please subscribe so you'll get notified when it uploads. Thank you for watching.